I'm Will. I've been working as an engineer at ESM for 3 years now.
My name's Karen Suter and I'm the Principal Control Systems Engineer with Creature Technology. The vision of this project was to recreate the user-friendly drag and drop interface that we had in the CTEC 1 product in CTEC 2.
We were brought a particularly strong styled SCADA application that had a lot of custom bits to it.
The CTEC 1 product allowed the user to drag and drop control system elements and set up a control system signal path on the fly. So we wanted to recreate that in Ignition. The challenge was to provide a visualization engine that allows an end user to drag and drop those control system components and create and break links between them.
So therefore, someone without technical knowledge would be able to tweak a system to do a certain task.
We already had the back-end code working, all of the dynamic elements were already up and running in the PLC and the database, but we found that we didn't have native components available to us in perspective to support that visualization that we needed.
The user really got lots of feedback based on interaction. When a user clicks on an item, it really feels like you're in a web application, not in a SCADA environment.
The reason we chose to go with Ignition was because it already had built-in engines and libraries for the things that we needed to interface to Beckhoff, namely the Postgres database and the OPC UA connectivity.
So we're able to quite quickly deploy a template project and quite rapidly connect to multiple machines and devices out in the field. We needed to get to an MVP quite quickly, and then from the MVP, our finalized product.
We developed using the Agile framework. We were able to bring ESM along on our Agile journey with daily stand-ups, the two teams communicating back and forth.
We were able to quickly run a demo, and then from that React application, use the Ignition SDK with the help of Travis from IA to be able to pull together quite a quick module. With that module, we were able to quickly prototype the functionality that CTC required for their MVP.
The project's now in use on a number of our projects. We've had fantastic user feedback on the great work that's been done.
How quickly we're able to get out a prototype MVP to the finalized product was really amazing. The team at ESM, Pori, Santa, Brian, did an amazing job at really rapidly deploying our thoughts on what Karen and Sam and James and Will, what they put together for us. Alex was able to really pull it together at the end there by keeping us on time and on budget, and it was a really great project to work on.